Welcome to the detailed installation guide for your modern and stylish Florette Underlight BLDC fan. This fan is engineered to combine aesthetic appeal with high efficiency, making it an ideal addition to any living space. Inside the package, you will find the fan assembly, which includes a motor with PCB controller, a canopy set, a blade set containing 4 blades, a shackle kit, a downrod, a shank assembly set having 4 shanks, and a light assembly. It also contains an instruction manual, a guarantee card, a remote, a twisted wire, a safety cable wire, and 2 AAA battery. Step 2, Fan Assembling Part 1, Blade Installation. Now, let's begin the fan installation by assembling the fan blades. Begin by unscrewing the shank from the shank assembly. Next, attach the blade bracket to the blade using the provided screw and washers. Remove the shipping pad by unscrewing it, then securely fix the blade assembly to the motor using the provided screw. When tightening the blade screws onto the motor, be sure not to damage the blade profile. Fan Installing Part 2, Underlight Kit Installation. First, align the harness fan connector with underlight connector. Make sure all pins facing a proper way to connect the light, then gently connect the pins of the connector, then align the light. Now, insert the 3 locks of the kit into the slots provided on the mounting plate, and rotate them clockwise to ensure a secure fit. Finally, align and tighten the lock using the long screw with the hole in the mounting plate. Please ensure locks are perfectly tight. Step 2, Fan Assembling Part 3, Installing the downrod. With the blades securely attached, let's move on to installing the downrod. Now start by removing the downrod cap from the downrod, and slide the bottom canopy over the downrod. Carefully slide the top canopy from the top side and replace the downrod cap. Thread the power supply wires through the downrod's top side holes and pull them through the slit hole of the downrod. Step 3, Internal wiring connection. Let's connect the power supply wires to the terminal connector. Make sure the connections are secure. Step 4, Using the secondary suspension system. We use the secondary suspension system for an extra layer of safety in our fans. Beginning with removing the safety clamp from the wire and keeping it within reach. Now gently insert the free end of the safety wire through the hole in the shaft. Pass the safety wire's free end through the downrod, securing the motor with the provided nut, bolt, and aluminum spacers. Step 5, Mounting the fan. With the blades and downrod in place, let's complete the fan installation by mounting it securely. First, secure the shackle assembly over the downrod using the provided nuts, washer, hex nuts, and split pins. Now pass the hook through the space between the shackle assembly and the downrod. Ensure minimal rotational movement of downrod. Secure the assembled fan in the ceiling as intended with caution. Step 1A, Remote Pairing. The remote provided with the fan is already paired with it. However, if you have gotten a new remote or have changed the PCB of your fan, follow these steps for pairing the remote. Firstly, switch on the fan from the main supply. After power on, 1 beep sound will come. And pairing process to be done after the beep, and process to be completed within 10 seconds of fan start. Press the off button on the remote once, and then press the fan speed 1 button. Listen for 2 confirming beeps from the fan, indicating a successful pairing. If pairing fails, repeat the steps after powering off the fan from the main. Step 1B, Remote Unpairing. If needed, you can unpair an unwanted remote. Repeat the complete pairing process 2 times on the remote you want to keep using, with a maximum 1 minute. The unwanted remote will be automatically unpaired. Note for a better performance of your fan. To optimize air delivery, keep the fan approximately 3 meters from the ground and 30.5 centimeters below the ceiling. Maintain a minimum distance of 80 centimeters to 1.2 meters between the blade tips and side walls for safe and efficient operation. Remote maximum range in all direction is 3 meters with good battery condition. This range may vary if there are obstructions between remote and fan. Remote operating functions. Let's explore the remote's functions now. Press the power button to switch on and switch off the fan speed and light. Press fan icon button to switch on and switch off the fan speed. Press the desired button from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for their respective fan speed. Press Modes button to select and deselect respective mode. Selected mode LED icon will illuminate for 5 seconds. If you need the fan to run for a set time, press the timer button to select 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours of operation. Selected icon will illuminate for 5 seconds. Fan will work on the set speed for selected hours before powers off automatically. Press light button to switch on and switch off fan light. Press light intensity button to change intensity of light. Light color control button to change color of light to warm white, neutral white, cool white. Key features. Sleep mode. The fan will decrease its speed level at intervals of 90, 120, 180, and 360 minutes when initially set at speed levels 5, 4, 3, and 2 respectively, until it reaches and maintains the first speed level. Breeze mode mimics natural airflow by automatically changing speed every 25 to 30 seconds. Memory backup saves last fan status in case of power trips. Troubleshooting. In case of any issues, here are some common solutions. If the fan doesn't start, check circuit fuses or breakers and ensure proper line wire connections. If the fan sounds noisy, tighten the motor housing screws and the screws attaching the fan blade to the motor hub. Ensure a gap between the top canopy and the ceiling. If the fan wobbles, make sure all blades have same distance with ceiling. If not, then gently press the fan blades. If its remote sensing is poor, replace the remote's battery and ensure it's directed toward the fan. Fan changes its speed on its own. Disable the breeze or sleep mode if it is selected. Lastly, a few important words of caution. Avoid damaging the blades while installing or cleaning. Never insert foreign objects between the rotating fan blades. Ensure the safety screw, down rod bolt, and lock nut are securely tightened. Minor reverse rotation/lag when the fan starts is a normal phenomenon in BLDC motor fans. It's not a defect. 2 AAA batteries available in the box. In case the battery is drained, use AAA batteries of the preferred brand only. Avoid using any external regulator, as any PCB failure in the circuit due to an external regulator will not be covered under warranty. Wall mount regulator should be disconnected for fan safety and better performance. To deactivate fan modes, sleep or breeze, press any speed control button or any other mode button on remote. After power cutoff and resume, timer will be reset. And that's it. You've now successfully installed and understood your Havells Florette UL BLDC fan. For more information or assistance, refer to the instruction manual or reach out to our dedicated customer support team. Enjoy the refreshing breeze and energy savings provided by your new fan.